Coming up in this episode.
So I'm not sure I like the floor anymore. Kind of bought the tiles, all the vinyl tiles in a bit of a rush. I'm not sure I really like them. They look a bit cheap. They scratch easily. So maybe I need to redo the floor. So I'll have a think about that.
So I've decided that this flooring is a bit shit and I don't like it, and I'm gonna take it up and lay a new one. So yeah, I kind of just bought it because it was cheap. Yeah, I skimped on it really, but it scratches really easily. Chipped by the edge here. The joints don't look very nice. I don't actually like the styling of it. As you'll see from my previous video, I had a problem with tiles being different colour even though they're the same packet, the same batch. I managed to hide them, but yeah, it just looks shit. I don't think it's going to last very well, and yeah, I mean, you can see the joints. So I've bought a different vinyl, which is the original one that I wanted. I'm going to lay that. So I'll take out this and then lay the new flooring. So yeah, that's the next job. So yeah, the new floor's in, and I've just been putting everything back in, so the gas heater, the water heater, feeding the gas pipe back through. Yeah, so just putting everything in after I take it out to redo the floor. So the light isn't great, but this is the new flooring. It's a wood effect vinyl. I like it way better than what I had before. Those like slate effect vinyl tiles, they just look shit. So yeah, that's in. Pretty stoked of it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Lots more content on the way. Cheers.